Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying hardware and permissions. Do not pause. First, make sure your device supports depth mapping and motion sensors, then enable camera, motion, and wallpaper permissions. Once done, pick 3 photos that have a clear foreground subject and background contrast. These create the depth effect. Transfer them at full resolution to your phone. Avoid compressed copies. Finally, open the wallpaper editor immediately and choose the photo to begin depth extraction and preview the spatial behavior. You now shape the core spatial experience. In the wallpaper editor, lift the subject using depth layer controls and increase parallax to 10-30% for subtle 3D. Too much looks fake. Next, attach a spatial or ambient audio clip. Set it to loop and test while tilting the device so the sound anchors to movement. Then, move widgets away from the main subject. You want clear negative space so depth layers can breathe. Make sure to preview lock screen transitions and test under different brightness levels. Finish by saving the wallpaper variant and assigning it to the lock screen. Once done, test by tilting, tapping, and locking so you see motion and audio sync. If you plan to reuse the configuration, export, or save a preset to avoid repeating steps, make sure to test at different brightness and in low light. If the depth effect fails to appear, retake the photo with more foreground separation. Then reboot the device and recalibrate motion sensors before reapplying the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.